Now, I got a question for you, honey. How long have you been singing?
I've been singing since elementary school. I just been in the shower.
And I actually heard that you actually got some training before this.
But you'll see me again later and enjoy the show.
Alright, hey, so train people, y'all ready?
Yeah, I got it. I don't want to block him though.
I want to see who want to participate. Give me a hand raise who would like to come up and try to answer this for a gift. You got it.
I got their final exam.
Yes, he got it.
DJ Simply S, are we ready for the next? All right, Soul Train, Soul Jam Hour. I need you to give me a warm welcome for our next performer, all the way from the condos. We're about to bring you Salsa. Give it up for Salsa, y'all.
She was from Manhattan. She had the stacks in. I met her from Dallas. She took me to the palace. I met her from Dallas. She's from LA. She said I was from the Bay. Man, we put a bag everything in here, man. I'm never. Throw your hands in the sky like me. Throw your hands in the sky like me. Throw your hands in the sky like me. We came to the party and rock, 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 don't rock, 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 don't rock, rock, rock.
How you doing?
private dancer.
I didn't ring it without saying it before. You said private dancer. I'll ring you in the back. Let's give it up for the ticket girl already in the back.
Hey!
Make sure you get my leg, baby. Get my leg, get my leg. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Okay. I like Halloween and cornbread. That's right. Potato salad with some sweet potato pie. And a big old glass of iced tea. Right? That's what we do in Nutbush. Now I heard somebody say private dancer. I'll sing you a little bit. I'm your private dancer. I'm dancing for money. Do what you want me to do. Just a private dancer. Dancer for money. And your music will do. Thank you. That was for you, baby. Y'all ever see me with my band? I got another band for tonight, but I got a big old band. We got dancers, we got costumes. Now these next young ladies that are coming out, they're part of that production with me. The show is called Thunder Dome Queen. And just to let you know, we got a little to see. We do the residency over at the Notoriety. We got a residency 3 nights a week.
Hey!
We're going to start in January. You better come over there and shake your tail feathers. Ready? All right, here we go. Just give it up for the girls. Give it up for the girls. Give it up for the girls. We kind of wanted to represent cancer for all the survivors out there tonight. We love you guys. We're going to keep on praying because we know God is able, right?
Yes.
So we put on our pink. It remembers the cancer. Everybody that had cancer. Everybody that got over. Everybody that went into remission. We want to say thank God. Praise God. Now this next song. What's the next song? That's it. Give it up for the band one more time.
Yay!